Welcome to the Product Management section. This is the section where you can manage the list of the products specific to your storehouse. For having even more flexibility, the section allows you to elaborate a hierarchical structure of your products. This means that besides adding products, you can as well add product types, catalogs, and organize your products according to those types. On the left side of the page, we can see the structure of our products in form of a hierarchical tree. As there are no catalogs and products added to the tree, we now see only the root element of our storehouse. On the right side of the page, we can see the help topic, which describes how to work within the section. For adding products, we should first of all select the element to which we want to add catalogs. Let us now select the root element of our tree. We will immediately notice a message saying that the root element has been selected. Right under the message, we can see two selections, Add and Edit. We can as well perform these orders through the corresponding buttons right upon the tree. Well, let us now add a catalog to our tree. Once the Add option is selected, a form immediately expands. Here we see all the fields that need to be filled for adding the catalog. Please pay attention to the type drop-down list. Here we have two options, catalog and product. Let us try to define them both to see the difference between these two values. Catalog is the general type of all its sub-items. By creating a catalog, we create categories for our products. And products are the actual items that are included in the catalogs. Well, let us proceed with adding catalogs to our storehouse. For example, the name of our catalog is Drinks. We can also give it some kind of code and save. We will see that the catalog has been added to the tree. There is a gray icon of a catalog beside the category, which means that it does not include any subcatalogs and products. Let us now add some more catalogs in the same way. Okay. Now we have already filled the storehouse tree with some catalogs that are ready to be filled with corresponding subcatalogs and products. We can now select the dairy foods drinks catalog, for instance, and divide it into some subcatalogs. The cheese category can be a sub-element for the dairy foods drinks category. We again fill the necessary fields for adding the item and save. As the dairy foods drinks catalog already includes a sub-element, the catalog icon is changed to yellow. Now we can already pass to adding products to the created catalogs. For instance, let us select the cheese catalog and add a product to it. Once the Add option is selected, the corresponding form expands again. We need to input the name of the product, Parmesan for example, and give it a code if needed. Please see that for the product type, we have 3 additional fields that are required. You need to necessarily indicate the unit of measurement of the product, kilograms in case of Parmesan, critical quantity, which is the quantity you consider critical for the current product, 10 kilograms for instance, and sufficient quantity, which is the quantity you consider sufficient for the product, 50 kilograms for example. We can as well add some notes in the description field, if any. Well, let us save the inputs. We will see that Parmesan has been added as a product with a product icon under the cheese catalog. When there's already a big amount of catalogs and products in the tree, you can use the search field for finding your desired icon. For doing this, you need to type at least the first 3 letters of the item you're searching for and click either Enter or the loop icon. The catalog of the item you were searching for will immediately expand, and the font element will be highlighted. We also have the possibility to edit any information connected with catalogs and products. For doing this, we again select the item, choose the Edit option, and make our modifications within the expanded form. When all the changes are done, we press Update to save them all. Please note that the type field cannot be edited. If we see that there are additional catalogs and products within the tree that are no longer needed, we can easily remove them. For doing this, we select the item that needs to be deleted and choose the Delete option. A warning appears, which reminds us that by deleting the item, all the deals linked to the item will also be erased. If we still want to delete the item, we just press OK, and the item is removed from the system. Well, this is the mechanism of working in the product management section.